Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel app subscriptions on your Android device step by step. This way, you don't keep getting charged for apps you no longer use. Now, quick note before we dive in, on Android, your subscriptions are all linked to your Google account, not directly to each app. So whenever you want to cancel something, you'll do it through the Play Store. Alright, first things first, open up the Google Play Store on your phone. Once you're inside, look up to the top right corner of your screen and tap on your profile picture. From the menu that appears, select Payments and Subscriptions. This is where all your billing and subscription details are stored. Next, tap on Subscriptions. Here you'll see a full list of your active subscriptions as well as any that expired earlier. Now, under Active Subscriptions, scroll through and select the app you want to cancel. Maybe it's a game, maybe a streaming service, or something you forgot you even signed up for. Once you've tapped the app, look toward the bottom. You should see a button that says Cancel Subscription. Go ahead and tap it and then follow the confirmation prompts. After confirming, that subscription will be canceled right away. Usually you'll keep access until the end of the billing cycle and then it just stops renewing, so you won't be charged again. And that's it. You've just canceled an app subscription on your Android device. Super simple, right? If this helped, go ahead and give the video a like and, don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.